In this video, I'll show you exactly how to access your Spotify Wrapped 2024 and explore your top songs, artists, genres, and listening stats from the past year. Spotify Wrapped is a fun way to relive your favorite music moments and share them with friends. To get started, open your App Store or the Google Play Store, and then make sure that your Spotify application is updated to the latest version. So if you see a little update button right here, then click on that button and wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of Spotify is installed on your device. Once you do this, simply open Spotify on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. You will see a couple of different options at the top of the page, and one of those buttons is this Wrapped option, so let's click on it, and then you'll have a little Wrapped section over the page, just like I have right here. But if some of you do not see the Wrapped section, then make sure that your app is updated, just like I showed you at the beginning of this video. And another thing that you can do is to restart your phone. Maybe your app has a bug or a glitch, and restarting your phone can solve the problem. Another thing that you can do in order to resolve the issue is to remove or delete Spotify from your phone, and then reinstall it from your App Store or the Google Play Store. So leave a comment down below if restarting the phone or uninstalling and then reinstalling the app fixed your issue. If I click on this Wrapped section, it's going to show me my top artists, my top songs, which I've listened to the most this year, how many songs I've played in total, and many, many more things. So tell me what your top artist and top songs were in this year, and I will see you in the next video.